Let us solve this Irodov problem number 1.69. A bar of mass m resting on a smooth horizontal plane starts moving. So what is the question? There is a block of mass m resting on a smooth horizontal plane. It means that you don't have to consider the force of friction. Starts moving means at t equal to 0, u equal to 0, and this is the starting position, so s is 0. A force of F equal to mg by 3 of constant magnitude. Okay, there is a force having magnitude constant and it is equal to mg by 3. Okay, in the process of its rectilinear motion means object move in a straight line. The angle alpha between the direction of this force and the horizontal. So the force is not horizontal. The force, let me call the force is acting in this direction, making some angle. So this angle alpha is not constant. Alpha varies with not time. Alpha varies with distance. A into s, where a is a constant and s is the distance traversed by the bar. So what is the question? When this block travel a distance of 1 meter, this angle is a. When this block travel a distance of 2 meter, this angle is 2a. When this block travel a distance of 3 meter, this angle is 3a. So this angle is variable, but the magnitude is constant. Okay, we have to find the velocity of the bar as a function of the angle alpha. So we have to calculate the velocity of this block as a function of angle alpha. Okay, now the component of this force along this direction is F cos. What is F? mg by 3. So mg by 3 into cos A into S, and the component of this force in this direction is mg by 3 into sine as. Now this force is not responsible for their rectilinear motion. This force is responsible. So what is the acceleration of the block? Acceleration of block is, this force should be divided by the mass of block and the acceleration will come out g by 3 into cos alpha into s. Now we can write the acceleration but not in the form of time, because in this question time is not asked. Everywhere distance is involved. So acceleration A should be written in the form v into dv by ds, and it should be equal to g by 3 into not alpha x ax cos as. Now integrate these two parts. So v dv should be equal to g by 3 into cos as into ds. Integrate this. This is a constant. So when s is 0, u is 0. At any distance s, let me call the v as v. So the integration of this part is v square by 2 should be equal to, this is g by 3, and integration of cos theta is sine theta. But this is not theta, this is a theta. So this is divided by a. From where to where? From 0 to s. When I put this 0 number, sine 0 is 0. So v square by 2 should be equal to g by 3 into sine as divided by a. Now in the question we have to write this velocity as a function of alpha. So at this position this is alpha, so v should be equal to a root having g 2g sine alpha in the upper part and 3a in the lower part. So this is the value of, this is the equation of velocity v as a function of alpha. So this is the answer. V should be equal to under root 2g sin alpha by 3a.